Good day. I'm going to show you how to check your PayPal balance. It's going to be a very short video. It's pretty easy to actually check your PayPal balance, but just in case you don't know, this video is going to help you out. So the first thing you want to do is actually head over to PayPal's website. There's a couple different ways of doing it, but obviously you can go up here in the address bar, type in www.paypal.com, and go ahead and go to the site that way. Or if you want to as well, you can just type in PayPal in Google, and the first result will more than likely be the PayPal website. Once you're on this website, on the top right hand corner there's a link there for login. Go ahead and click that, type in your username and password, and click login. Once you're logged into the website, here on the left hand side you should see the money box, and that will show you your PayPal balance. If you want more information regarding the money that you have in your PayPal account, you go ahead and click on money here on the top, and it'll show you your balance once again, what currency it's in. It'll allow you to do a currency converter, and as well show you what bank accounts and things like that you have linked. So that's it. That's how you check your balance in PayPal. If you have any questions, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you can take a minute to subscribe to this channel, it would help me a lot. I'm actually working full-time throughout the day, and at night I work at Walmart. And every subscriber to this channel is one step closer to being able to quit Walmart and spend more time with my family. So if you can take a second, hit the subscribe button below. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in other videos. Have a great day. Just want to make a quick mention that the music in the background is actually metal covers by Leo at Frog Leap Studios. He's an amazing artist on YouTube. He has over 3 million subscribers as of today's date, and it's just awesome. I can't get enough of him. I listen to him every single day, and he's just simply amazing. Go check him out, Frog Leap Studios, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.